that it?
I think this is it.
Is that it? The sun's in our eyes?
I don't have no sunglasses.
gonna-
You
gonna
know what
be
is
the-
not in
the-
my eyes? I have on my shoulder. I have a bridge on my shoulder.
A bridge on the shoulder.
Sean,
Yeah, it's the London Bridge.
is it deja vu?
It's not the London Bridge.
It's not the London.
It's not the London Bridge.
People think it's
I
this,
know.
but it's not.
Ah,
It
deja
feels like
vu,
a
my
deja
friend.
vu.
Right?
It was raining though.
It was raining.
And it
last time.
was what, 4 years ago? Something
4 years
like
ago,
that?
this spot,
Same spot.
raining, the Tower Bridge behind us. 4 years later, we're still
we're
trying to
st-
protect
we're
the
still
cyber
here.
world.
We're making it safer.
Safer.
According
Safer
to
cyber world,
the
yes.
website of the Infosecurity Europe,
Yep.
we are working exactly on that. But beside everything, we're tired. We just got here today.
Yes.
You flew from New York.
Yes.
I flew from Florence, but I had to wake up at 3:30 in the morning for whatever damn reason that is. So we're kind of tired. We're looking for a good beer and a dinner, but we just want to let everybody
Yeah,
knows that we're
check
here.
in,
We're
reloaded.
excited. I
It's
am
gonna be a
really
good week.
excited.
It's going to be a good week.
I tell you one thing.
Yeah.
I love every event, but I love London. We talked about this
I
many
know.
times, and I love the community here. I love our PR people. I love the editorial. I'm full of editorial. I
Ah,
don't
it's
even
good.
know what
It's
to
good.
do with it.
It's gonna
I
be
don't
so
even
good.
know how to record them all.
It's going to be so good. And I don't want this to ramble on. So
No.
that was your one thing. My one thing is let's lean in. The new Studio C60 hat.
2 analog
Two
brains.
analog brains right here.
I sure am.
Look at that. So yeah, it's gonna be a good week. I think
I'm
this
excited.
is our sunny day, and
Oh yeah, it's gonna be rainy.
I'll do a spin around. You can see it's actually sunny behind us,
Nice.
but I think the rest of the week's gonna be rainy. So we'll take this in and enjoy it, and we'll see everybody at the Excel. And stay tuned. Infosec 26 is the URL. So itspmagazine.com, the URL.
Oh, let me do a quick shout out. Sorry.
Oh yeah, go for it.
I said I have a lot of editorials,
All right.
and it's true.
Yeah.
We have a lot of brand stories, and it's
Okay.
true.
Yeah.
But we're here for 3 days. So if you're gonna watch this tonight, tomorrow, and you have something to say that is not promotional, that's an editorial.
It is an
You got
editorial.
something to say that you want us to help you to promote? Sure, that's a brand story. We can do that. We can even improvise on the floor. So hit us up. We're excited. We're here, and we want to work with you.
Yeah. And I'm interviewing a DJ tomorrow.
Yeah.
DJ Samuel.
You know, a DJ saved my life.
I
one
know.
time. You know
I
that.
know. And with that, we're gonna make the world cyber safe.
We're
Starting this
trying.
week.
We're trying.
Excel London, Infosecurity Europe. Thanks everybody.
See ya.